On the International Holocaust Remembrance Day 2021, leading figures of the UK Jewish community are focusing on the brutal treatment and persecution of Uyghur Muslims at the hands of CCP and China. Rabbis, community leaders, and Holocaust survivors are leading this movement to pressurize the UK government for a strong stance against Beijing. Mary van der Zyl, President of the Board of Deputies of British Jews, in a recent letter to the UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson said there were similarities between what is reported to be happening in China and what happened in the Nazi Germany in the 1930s and 40s. In the UK, representatives from key synagogue and youth movements have called on politicians to pass an amendment to the trade bill next week. If successful, it would allow the UK High Court to rule on whether China is committing genocide against Uyghur Muslims and revoke trade deals with offenders, including companies using forced labor. More than 30 rabbis and community leaders have given their support to the bill in the parliament. On Monday, faith leaders in the UK came together to express solidarity with China's Uyghurs through an interfaith event hosted virtually by two human rights groups, Rene Cassin, a Jewish NGO, and CSW, a Christian NGO. For the event, Rabbi Janner Klossner said, "We know as Jews what it feels like to be victims of genocide and the enormous difference it makes when people are allies. We will always be your allies." Jonathan Wittenberg, the senior rabbi of Masorti Judaism, said that the UK Jewish community was very strongly behind the calls for action to protect the Uyghurs. During this event, he also told Ziba Murad, the daughter of the Uyghur retired medical doctor who was sentenced to 20 years in prison, that her situation reminds him of the Holocaust. Latest US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and incoming US Secretary of State Anthony Blinken said that China was committing ongoing genocide against the Uyghurs. Jewish News also recently published a special front page saying, "Few issues could be more urgent than the human rights atrocities currently taking place against Uyghur Muslims under the world's nose." Ian Duncan Smith, UK former secretary, recently through an opinion piece in The Sun stated that the situation reminds him of the pictures of the Nazi concentration camp from the 1940s, while referring to the atrocities faced by Uyghur minorities in China. The world has lambasted China for persecution of Uyghurs who in Xinjiang are facing violations of human rights in all forms by the CCP-led China.